Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I'm glad you're here today. I have a box here, mystery box, and this is full of, I think we've got 12 items. I spent $65, and it is from NYX Makeup. So, NYX, and so do you want to see what I got? Okay. Let's get started here. Okay, friends. First, I want to say thank you for your support. I appreciate my subscribers. If you'd like to support my channel, you can subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment, and I would so appreciate if you did those things. And now let's see what's in this box. So I've been wanting to get a few things. I love NYX makeup, mostly their lip products, but I've been dying to try some of their new blushes and different things. So I decided they had a sale going on, so I decided to go pick up some things. So here we go, and I guess I'm just gonna start with the blush, and I got the buttermelt blush, and I got Getting Better and For the Better. They're both similar colors. Right here, they're my colors. They're kind of more a pink type color. Okay, so there's our two colors here, and the first one, I'm gonna open up that one open. There's that. Okay, here's the second one. So I'm already a little bit negative Nancy here on these because there's the first one. Let's try it here. Oh man, those are pigmented. And they're hard to open, so that's a negative for them. But other than that, I love the brand, and that's the second one. Look at that. Ooh, pretty. So very pretty blushes. So I'm excited to have those two. There's two of my items. These were both, normally $10, and I got them for $7 each. Now, the next one I have on here is, I'm going to go to the bronzer. I have a buttermelt bronzer here. And if it's anything like the blushes, I'm going to be a happy camper. I went with the medium warm, it says. I'm not a warm person though. But let's see what we got here. This opens like the blushes, which is not an easy task. Okay, so there we go. There's that. Very pretty. These are just, look at that. It's just so pretty. So, there's the bronze. It looks cool inside, but it does have a little bit of warm tone to it. So there's that. And so the next two items I'm going to share that I got are the Jumbo Multitask Highlighter Sticks. I love these sticks. I usually wear them. I wear a white one. I kind of do it in my corners usually of my eyes. You can also, anyway, they're just multi-purpose. Highlight, eyeshadow, whatever. So I have I have the vanilla ice cream, which is this one right here. It's just a white. Look how pretty that is. It's kind of got almost an iridescent to it. So that'll look really good in the corners of the eyes, which I already have pink in there, but anyway. So there's that. And then this one is coconut cake. Yum. So this one I'll put right below it. Okay, how pretty is that? They're both, I don't know if you can see it. It's so pretty on, but it's not really showing up as good on my skin. So anyway, that's the second one. So those are, I got those two. So I have the two brushes, the bronzer, 2 sticks, multi-purpose sticks, and I've got some, now I have some lip products. My favorites, these lingerie XL matte lipsticks. These are normally $10. I got them for $7. And the colors look real similar I got. So I thought they might be different. They're like, I think these are the ones I normally wear. Now this color right here, this color right here, that's like my perfect lip color. My absolute perfect lip color. I also like to add a little bit of more to it. So I'm going to put this one right here. They look similar. The other one's just a little darker here, right here. So those are those two. So love these, love them. I'm glad I could get them on sale. And then I have, looks like I have 4 lip pencils. What are these about? Okay, I've got the 4 lip liners here. I got 2 that are this called the Slim Lip Pencil in Sunset Pink, which I think is this one. And we got, I'll just draw a line here. So there's the Sunset Pink. And here is this one is the Pale Pink. There we go. And then we've got a suede lip pencil. I'm excited to have these. These feel good. And I'm ready to throw out all my lip pencils and get new ones. So anyway, this one is the suede matte lip liner. And this is the color's called San Paulo. But it's going to match, well, it's kind of brighter than I thought. Now that one's this one right here. So it's a little bit brighter than what I thought. I'm hoping these will go with my 2 others. And then I got a retractable one that I was curious about. And this one is a retractable lip liner. This is in a nude pink color. So let's put that right here. And yes, it's gonna go, it's like right on with, so it's just this one right here. So anyway, there is my box is empty. So that's my 12 items. Let's see, I've got, okay, so I've got, let's see here. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I thought I had 12 things, but maybe I only had 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, just 11 things. So anyway, they're all, that's my, this is my right here. This is my jam. This is my jam. And I'm really happy with the NYC makeup. I think that their blush is beautiful. I think their bronzer's pretty here. All these lip products. Anyway, so happy. These, and then the 4 lip liners. So anyway, happy with my purchase. So that was fun. I think that's the first time I actually purchased from NYX directly on their website. I usually buy a lot of my NYX products on Amazon just because it tends to be a little bit more convenient for me. But anyway, there we go. Let me know what you think. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you so much. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends? Bye-bye.